Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my channel where we'll be doing another unboxing, and this time we'll be unboxing the Akaso Action Camera Brave 4. This is actually a Ultra HD 4K version, as you can see it there. Right, let's just have a look at the casing itself. As you can see here, you have the remote control, which can be worn on the wrist, and this here's the camera itself. And yes, this has got integrated wireless network. Storage uses the micro SDHC card, which is not included in this package. It's got a super 170 degrees wide angle lens, and the inputs output micro USB HDMI. It is a waterproofing case, as you can see up here, which I'll be opening in a little while. Right, and as shown here, it's got a 20 megapixel picture, super wide angle lens, 170 degrees, and it can go as narrow as 70 degrees. It's got a 2.4G remote control, which I just showed you earlier. Its display is a 2-inch LCD screen. However, it is not a touch screen. Yes, it has got wireless connection. Wireless mounts and accessories are included. The input and output is through the micro USB HDMI. Image sensor is a Sony sensor. Videos are 4K on 24 frames per second, 2K on 30 FPS, and so on and so forth. Integrated wireless network is supported for both Android and iOS. Yeah, by the way, it states here it comes with two batteries, which are 1050 milliampere hour. It is waterproof up to 98 feet, and I guess that's about it. Let's now open up the camera. As you can see here, this here is a remote which can be worn on the wrist. This gray or white button is for the video, while the red button here is for taking pictures. And this here's a camera. Let's just remove it from the mount. All you do is you pull out the stopper here, and you give it a little squeeze and push it out, and presto. Right, so this here is the camera, the Akaso Bravo 4 high action camera. Let's now take it out from the sun. To remove it from the its waterproof case, all you will do is flip this up here like that. I'll show that again. Flip it up this way, pull it up, and the back opens, and just flip it up, and you have the camera. As you can see here, the camera has also got a front screen, which is much smaller. You can't really see images on this. However, it shows you relevant data that you may require, like how much battery is left and so on and so forth. Here you see is a power button. Right here is the micro USB ports and this is where you slit your micro SD card, and you have two arrow buttons here. You have the OK button up here. Again, your SD card goes here, your micro USB slots, your power button, screen, and the lens. Right, I have just charged up the battery, and I'll now demonstrate how to insert the battery as well as how to power it up. As you can see, here is the battery compartment lid. You need to open that by just flicking into this like as such, and you'll see, and if you look inside, you'll see 3 pins at the top left corner. I'm not sure you can see that. Okay. What you do then is you take the battery, and these 3 pins here should actually be in contact with that. Just push it in. This here little flap here is actually to enable you to pull the battery out when you want to recharge it. Take this lid and you close it as such, and you're all set. Alright, now let's remove all the stickers. One for the lens, and you're all set. This here is the power button. Just give it a good press, and you're all set. I have not really done any setting yet, which I'll probably be doing in a little while. As you can see, the battery indicator here, there's a SD card in, microphone is there. Yep. And I mentioned earlier, the screen in front here actually gives you the relevant information, like what's the status of the battery, and so on and so forth. Right, now let's look at what's in the rest of the box. You have here the quick reference guide, Action Camera 2.4G remote manuals, and we have a bunch of accessories that comes along with it. I've now laid out the accessories that's available that comes in the box. Let's look at it. Okay, here you have the camera back. If you decide to use the camera without the waterproof casing, however, and you want to mount it on a tripod, as I said, it comes with 2 batteries. They are 1050 milliampere. The manual says that it should last about 90 minutes with stabilizing if you use stabilization, and it'll last you about 60 minutes with 4K recording. This here is a battery charger. You can charge 2 batteries at a time. You connect the charging cable here. This helmet mounts to be attached if you want the camera mounted on a helmet, and these are double-sided tapes. The lens cloth. You have a adapter for your bike handle or motorbike handle. This here is an adapter where you can actually clip it on. You clip it onto your body, your belt, whatever, your pocket. These are some of the adapters that comes along, and you have a gooseneck adapter, a few more here and some there. This is a cable for you to connect to your battery charger. These are some velcro straps for you to strap your camera accordingly. We have some tie backs and a wire to secure your battery to wherever you've attached them. And this here is a backing that I told you earlier that comes with these two slits, which you could actually place it like replace this one here. I'm not really sure, but I think that will probably allow audio to get through, so you can actually record audio while this one here doesn't. And of course the user manual for the remote and the camera, and that's about it.